Hi guys, today we will be talking about Kaiser's online policy management system or what we call Kaiser OPMS. Once you become a member of Kaiser or nag-avail ka po ng Kaiser Long Term Healthcare, you will have access to our Kaiser OPMS. Your login credentials will be emailed to you by Kaiser, and you will just need to go to kaiserhealthgroup.net using the username and password given by Kaiser. So maglalagin lang po tayo and let's take a look at what's inside our Kaiser OPMS. Alright, so here we see our Kaiser OPMS. Unang-una nandyan yung pangalan ng ating policy holder. Okay. Next, we will see our policy. Nandyan yung ating plan type. Nandito rin po yung details ng ating policy, our application number, policy number, the name of our proposed member or policy holder. Makikita rin po natin dito ang ating due date and the total amount due yung kailangan po nating bayaran for the next due date. Okay, below here, we have our policy details. Nandito po yung ating policy start date, payment term, so either monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual po yung makikita nyo dyan. Installment amount, yan, number of payments made, and of course, the number of years na kailangan nating bayaran yung ating Kaiser plan. Policy status, ayan, if you are updated sa pagbabayad, makikita po natin dyan active. We also have here our pay bill now, so you can directly pay your Kaiser premiums here. Meron po tayong several payment options. Ayan, so mamimili na lang po kayo dun sa mga payment options natin. We have BDO bills payment, Palawan Express, lahat po yan. Okay, and may instructions naman po once you click through any of these payment options. Next, we have here on the right side, download current bill. Pag click niyo po yan, i-redirect po kayo sa inyong bill. Ayan, pwede niyo po siyang i-download as PDF and ito yung pwede niyong ipakita when paying for your Kaiser premium sa ating mga Kaiser offices and Kaiser payment facilities. Okay? Next, view my payment history. So here, makikita nyo po lahat ng payments na ginawa nyo since nung nag-start yung inyong policy. If you will notice, nandyan po yung OR number, date paid, next due date, premiums, kung magkano yung binayaran nyo, and dun sa pinaka-right side, nandyan yung OR pick. Yan, pinipicturean po ni Kaiser yung kanyang official receipt. Yan, para dun sa mga gustong kino-compile yung kanilang payments, pwede nyo po itong i-print. Yan. And makikita nyo rin dito yung sa pending verification if meron pa po kayong payments na hindi pa fully verified. Kung sakali man meron kayong payment that is more than 30 days and hindi pa siya napopost dito sa ating payment history, you can click this link para po ma-notify natin si Kaiser that meron tayong mga unposted payments that are beyond 30 days. Now, let's go back to our homepage. Next, we have View My Starter Guide. Yan. So, here makikita natin yung ating starter guide. So, this is a guidebook para bigyan tayo ng basic understanding of how Kaiser works and ano yung mga procedures sa pag-avail ng mga healthcare benefits. Very important, basahin po natin ito, i-familiarize natin para maging madali sa atin yung pag-access dun sa mga benefits natin. Ayan. On the left side, nandito yung mga links ng mga topics na cover dito sa ating starter guide. And as you scroll down, makikita po natin yung mga topics na yan. We have the member's kit, benefit card, APE. Makikita natin what's included in our APE exam and mga contact numbers na kailangan nating tawagan in case we need assistance. Inpatient services, emergency care services, and the computation of the rooms, the hospital charges, and the doctor's fee, dental services, yan, mga guide when it comes to pre-existing conditions, and your right and responsibility as a member of Kaiser, and syempre yung mga exclusions na kailangan din nating maintindihan, and yung mga medically necessary and limitations ng ating healthcare plan. Yan. So make sure basahin niyo po ito. Very important maintindihan natin how our Kaiser Health Plan works. Next, we have our healthcare contract. So here, we will see our healthcare contract. Yan, nandyan po yung ating details, yung policy number, and signed by Kaiser's President and Medical Director, Dr. Leia Uyolo. Ayan. Okay, this is kaduktong po ng ating healthcare contract. Nandito yung provisions ng contract natin. Ayan. So we have here our individual contract provision. So dito po natin makikita lahat ng mga provisions natin indicated in this contract that we agreed with Kaiser. Ayan. So basahin po natin ito kasi dito naka-detailed lahat ng ating benefits, lahat ng mga exclusions, ng mga limitations. Ayan. So this is a total of 30 pages po. So maganda po mabasa po natin ito para alam din natin, aware tayo dun sa ating contract with Kaiser Health Grouping. Okay, so let's go back. Here we have our schedule of benefits. Yan. So dito naman sa schedule of benefits, makikita natin again the details of our policy. Ayan. Nandito din yung schedule of our medical benefits, yan kung magkano yung ating mga benefits, ano yung mga covered, ano yung hindi. And nandito yung schedule, kung kailan tayo, yung mga date of entitlement natin dun sa ating benefit. Makikita po natin yan dito. Until such time na ma-reach natin yung maturity ng ating plan. Okay? So, nandiyan yung date kung kailan yung pinaka-maturity ng ating plan. Nandito rin yung ating mga long-term care benefit value with its corresponding year, kung kailan mako-complete yung year niya. So, pataas po yan ng pataas until ma-reach mo yung iyong long-term care benefit that corresponds to your plan. Okay? And also, makikita din natin dito yung ating accumulated long-term care benefit. Yan. So, pataas po yan ng pataas starting 7th year to 20th year. So, makikita nyo po dyan yung computation. And sa pinakababa, ito yung ating mga insurance benefits. So, waiver of installment due to death, due to disability payable, and this is our term insurance po. Okay. And of course, pag accident, as we've mentioned on our Kaiser trainings, madodouble po yung ating insurance value. Next, we have our benefit card. Okay. So, dito makikita natin yung ating benefit card. You can print this, you can screenshot this, and save this to your phone. Andyan po yung mga details natin. Makikita natin dito merong expiry date yung ating benefit card. So, itong expiry date na to, this is 30 days after the grace period. So, for example, ang due date natin is May 8 dun sa ating policy. Ayan, May 8. You are given 30 days grace period plus another 30 days. Yun po yung expiry ng ating benefit card. So kapag binabayaran naman po natin, automatic nag-update po yung kanyang, nauurong po yung kanyang expiry date. Yan. So, andito rin po yung mga contact details ng Kaiser na pwede nyong tawagan if ever you need assistance. Next, quick links. Next, we have file a claim. So here, meron na po tayong form if ever you will file a claim. Nandyan po yung mga pwede nating i-claim. Nandyan yung death claims, maturity claim, ayan, mga dental reimbursements, if ever na-hospitalize ka, nandito po lahat siya. Okay? And next, we have here the schedule of annual physical examination or APE. Yan. So, once we click that link, you will be redirected to support. Nandito po yung mga links, how you can schedule your APE online. To schedule an APE, pupunta lang kayo dun sa kaiserhealthgroup.com map para mamili ng inyong preferred clinic or hospital kung saan gagawin yung inyong APE. And so, for example, malapit sa amin is Marikina Valley. Okay. Yan. So, i-click nyo po Marikina Valley and then APE. Click nyo lang po yung APE. Then, you will be asked to log in again. And then, you can schedule your APE. Just fill up the details and your desired date. Ayan. Kung kailan nyo po gustong magpa-APE, nandito rin po yung conditions and yung inclusions ng ating APE. And then you just hit submit para po ma-notify si Kaiser, and after that, you will receive an email confirmation on your APE schedule. Okay? Next, edit profile. Yan. So here we can edit the email and your mobile number kung saan ka po pwedeng i-email ni Kaiser and yung iyong contact details. Actually, edit profile, same lang po yan dito sa personal info. Okay? Change password. So you can change your password here. Log out. Yan. Now we are here in the resource center. First, we have the view list of accredited hospitals, clinics, and dentists. Again, dadali niya po tayo dito sa map ng Philippines and then we'll just search either kung lugar nyo man yan or name ng hospital, pwede nyo pong i-click yan here para ma-search po yung hospital near you. Ayan, so makikita nyo nakalista po lahat ng mga accredited hospitals sa Marikina, Pasig, ayan. Ita-type nyo lang po yung lugar or pwede rin hospital name. Yan. Next, we have application for amendment. So once we click this link, dadalhin niya po kayo dito sa form ng application for amendment of your contract agreement. So ito, ginagamit ko ito if ever you want to amend something sa iyong Kaiser policy like your address, you want to change your address, the name, the beneficiary, gusto mo mag-change ng mode of payment. So ito po yung ginagamit. So you just need to download this, fill this up, and email it to underwriting@kaiserhealthgroup.com. So balik po tayo dito sa home. Next, we have application for reinstatement. So again, dadalhin niya po tayo dito sa form ng application for reinstatement of our plan agreement. So ginagawa po itong reinstatement if ever na-lapse po yung ating policy or hindi tayo nakapagbayad within the grace period. So if hindi po tayo nakapagbayad, we are given 2 years para po ma-reinstate yung ating policy so that hindi siya ma-terminate completely. So we have 2 options here. Updating, ibig sabihin po, you will pay all your missed payments plus the surcharge duly computed by Kaiser and 300 pesos processing fee. Sa redating naman po, you only need to pay at least 1 installment premium plus yung ating 300 pesos processing fee. But in redating, yung maturity ng ating policy will be moved depending dun sa kung ilang months, ilang days yung policy natin na nalapse. If you want to apply for reinstatement of your plan, simply download this form, pay the corresponding fees sa ating mga Kaiser payment options and accredited payment centers, and email this form together with your payment proof sa underwriting@kaiser.com. Isisi nyo po ang support@kaiserhealthgroup.com and yung inyong Kaiser agent. So ito naman po yung tool sa taas. This is for your Kaiser agent or for the IMG members who are accredited to offer Kaiser healthcare plan sa kanilang family, friends, or sa kanilang mga colleagues. Ayan. So ito po yun. And if you want to apply as an IMG member para po may offer nyo yung Kaiser, you just need to click e-join. Okay? Sa support naman po, ayan, nandito yung ating payment details. So, pwede tayo mag-upload dito ng ating proof of payment. You can check the status of your payments through billing. You can also click this link para makapag-send tayo ng message sa Kaiser so that if ever we have any concerns, we can message them right away. And of course, meron tayo dito mga FAQ para po mas maliwanagan tayo if ever we have questions pa about Kaiser. You can also create an account here at Kaiser Help Desk para po makapag-create tayo ng ticket para whenever we need Kaiser assistance, dito na lang po natin siya gagawin or para ma-notify din natin si Kaiser. So that's it. This is what our Kaiser OPMS looks like. Thank you, and I hope you watch more of our videos and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a good life.